right, we are live and in action. As you can see, it is, you can't even see it properly, but it's supposed to read 12 o'clock. Okay, as you can see, it is 12 o'clock officially, which means it is February 14th. And what is February 14th? You guessed it, Valentine's Day. And I thought it would be a cool idea for me to record how my Valentine's Day went, since I don't got no Valentine and I don't got nothing to do. So just stay tuned and watch through the whole video and I'll show you what I'm doing today. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Good morning, everyone. I look bad right now. I'm so sorry. But I literally just woke up. Today is, you know, the 14th, like I said already. I was supposed to wake up early on, but I did, and I ended up falling back asleep again, and it is 11:21. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wash my face, and then I'm going to probably do a face mask, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna do my homework, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. And I also got to work on the jeans and finalize everything today. So we're just going to get right into it. We are in the bathroom. I have my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and we're just gonna get into it. I feel like I gotta pee though. All right, I am back and I am better. I like to say, if you don't brush your tongue when you're brushing your teeth, something's wrong with you, because how you forget the tongue? Like, you understand? Like, how you forget that? It's just crazy to me. Alright, y'all, as you can see, my skin went down bad. I have dark spots, ignore this, but I have dark spots on both sides of my noses. I have this dark spot right here, and I used to have a dark spot. You can't really see it as much as you could have before, and honestly, I don't know how that happened. I especially don't know how I got the dark spots on my nose at all. And I've been doing this mask with turmeric, bentonite clay, and apple cider vinegar, hoping that it's gonna help me. But I said I gotta step it up because I can't be walking around with like 2 dark spots on my nose. Like, it looks like this is just not gonna go away at all. Alright, I'm just gonna go with my face wash. Alright, so the material I use to make the mask is my bentonite clay. We have our turmeric powder, and then we have our apple cider vinegar. Now, the only thing I keep in my room is the clay, so we're just gonna have to go grab the other stuff that I use. I hate making the mask in my room because it, you know, this is a really strong smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the clay, and I'm gonna bring the rest of the stuff out here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the powder in the cup. I don't know if I want to do more turmeric powder because of the fact that it helps with lightening the skin. Alright, I think that's enough. Now for the clay, this is how it looks like. And it's my dad that put me onto this. Okay, so before I start this mask, I think it would be very smart for me to eat, because once I put the mask on, my face is going to be very stiff and I won't be able to move it or do anything with it. I'm going to have some French toast and yogurt, and we just go enjoy, period. Whatever. We're going to put this all up. Ooh, Damn. I cut myself. Y'all see it? Sorry for the ashy hands, but y'all see it? You see how bad it is? It hurts. You ever just like get hurt and you want to fight the thing that hurts you? That's me right now. Ow. I'm not gonna cry because I'm a thug, but ow. It don't even matter at this point because we just thug it out. Period. Anyways, back to scheduled programs. Now the French toast is done. So we're gonna go ahead and dig into that. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and do the face mask. Yo, this French toast. thebomb.com. Okay, so before we start this whole face mask process, I just want to give a big shout out to Being Sadiddy. You can follow them on Instagram at Being Sadiddy, and you can also check out their website at beingsadiddy.com. Now, the reason why I say this is because you gotta moisturize your lips when you're doing a face mask. For me, so I usually use petroleum jelly, but the way my lips are, like, I can't put anything on my lips, like, because if I do, it just annoys me and I just end up wiping it off. And sometimes when I do that and my lips are like, you know, chapped or whatever, they start to hurt. Now this lip gloss is literally the only lip gloss or only lip product that I use whenever my lips get like that. And even when it doesn't get like that, like, I always put this on. This literally saved my life. This is a lifesaver, okay? So if you don't got you one, you better go get you some. We're gonna go ahead and put this on our face. Now I like to clean up the knife with any product that is on it, you know. Can't none go to waste. The downside about this is that it will burn, okay? Now, I'm not saying it's gonna burn your skin, it's gonna burn your eyes. Just because of how strong the apple cider vinegar is, it will burn you. So just keep that in mind if you ever want to do this mask. This ain't for wimps. It is not for wimps. Now I just use a foundation brush because I think it's easier to get the product across. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna finish doing this mask and I'm gonna catch y'all when I am done. Okay, so as you can see, we finished the face mask. Now I'm gonna just let this dry. Now as I let this dry, I'm gonna finish some homework that I have due later on today. And then, you know, we'll just have the rest of the day to do whatever we gotta do. Alright, you guys, so I finished taking my shower. I'm done settled in. Now, I do have homework, like I said previously. I have 2 that's due today. And I think I'm gonna just do my homework so I don't have to worry about anything else for the rest of the day. So after I finish doing my homework, I think I'm gonna do my makeup. And I don't know if I wanna do, like, a big, bold look or just like a subtle look. It all honestly depends on how I'm feeling. But I think I might have to go big or go home, you know what I'm saying? All right. Y'all, I hate it here, honestly. I'm doing my homework for my introduction to fashion merchandising class, and it's 2 questions that I have yet to answer still, but it's killing me, for real. It's killing me. Hopefully I can understand it and answer it, and if not, God got it, okay? If not, God got it. I'm gonna give it a God, because at this point I can't. All right, you guys, so I just finished doing my homework. Literally I dragged it. Like, it was 3 o'clock last time I checked when I was recording, and then now it's literally 8:28. But I'm about to go to the store and get myself some mochi ice cream because I've been craving ice cream and I wanted to try it out. My friend put me onto it, so we're gonna see what kind of flavors they have, and hopefully the first time I try it is just a good experience because I don't want it to ruin it for me. All right, I look like a hot mess right now, ignore that. But the funny thing is, right after I downed one of them, I downed like 2 more. And when I tell you that shit messed with, like, it messed with my stomach so bad. Like, I had to go to the bathroom, guys. Like, it was so bad. I was just like, never again. And then it's so funny because the next day I ate one and I still got one more in the freezer. Probably gonna eat that tomorrow. But, like, I'm not gonna do that again. Absolutely not. I don't know if it was because my body's not used to it, because that was literally my first time trying it out. But I'm scared to, like, eat it again. I'm really nervous. So that was my first experience, and it was not a great one. So we're gonna head to Whole Foods. I have 30 minutes, about 30 minutes, because they close at 9. So we're gonna head to Whole Foods. And yeah, let's do it. I am back, and I got my mochi ice cream. So Whole Foods did not sell the boxes that I've been seeing everywhere else. They sold them singularly, and it was one for $2 and 6 for 10. So I was just like, all right, let me just get the 6 for 10. Now the flavors that I got were 2 mango. I got a strawberry, a green tea, a triple chocolate, and a vanilla. Now I'm about to head into my sister's room and try it out with her, and I am gonna record and show you guys my first reaction of ever trying mochi like this. So let's go. You can toss one, actually. Thank you. All right, y'all.
Is it really like ice cream?
Yeah, people are talking about like it's ice cream skin. All right, this is how it looks like, y'all.
To bite this, Tiana. My teeth. It's not cold. Is it good?
It's literally like chewy skin on the outside and ice cream on the inside. You don't like it?
I did not expect this to be milky.
Because of how you get it at Pinkberry, they're frauds. Alright, I completely forgot I was doing a whole YouTube video, so that's bad on my part. But as you can see, I am in the process of doing my makeup. I decided that I was going to do my makeup look because I already told you I was going to do my makeup look, and I already told people that I wanted to do a makeup look for Valentine's Day. So I'm not officially too sure on what I'm doing, but we're just going to go with the flow. You know what I'm saying? Alright, you guys, so this is the makeup look. This is how it looks. I'm not really a big fan of it, but my sister really likes it. This is the first time I've ever done like matte lipstick, and I'm not really used to it. Like, it's really, really bold. Now I just gotta like fix my edges, change my top because we can't be taking pictures in this, and then I gotta set it because yeah, but stay tuned for the pictures, y'all, and that's it. Okay, y'all, we got the little pink lights going on, and we got photo booth going on. Now I'm just trying to get some, cute aesthetic pictures off of photo booth. So I just finished taking some pictures. That's it for the night. I'm about to just wash my face and then call it a night. I think I'm gonna end up recording tomorrow, well, later on today, because why not? I know you did not put your feet on my teddy bear. So if you want to check out the pictures that I took, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. The name is in my bio. But if you don't feel like, exiting out and checking the description box, I will just leave it on the screen right here. You can follow me on my Instagram at this name, and yeah, do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I will catch you guys tomorrow. So peace. Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another day in my life. Now today I don't really have a lot planned. I do have work at 2:30, and it is currently 10:12 right now. So I'm about to leave the house, run some errands with my mom, and then get back home. I still got to finish cutting out the cardinals. I have 3 more left, and my goal is to try to finish the jeans, and send it off today before I go to work. So hopefully by 1 o'clock I am done with everything, so I can just get ready for work, go to the post office, and dip. But besides that, yeah, that's all I have planned for today. So my friend and her mom got me this cup, and it came with chocolate, 2 packs of instant coffee, and we're just gonna go make some. So besides that, that's all I have for today. Hopefully my day gets more interesting, but I highly doubt it because I don't be doing nothing, honestly. So we're just gonna see and go with the flow. Alright, you guys, we are on the last cardinal. Okay, we have 2 that I just finished cutting right here. I'm just gonna line them up right there. Okay, this is how much we have. And then we just got 1 more. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting this, and then once I'm done, I will get back to you guys so we can start this process. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to start the process of putting the cardinals on the jeans. So I decided to record the process because I thought it would be cool. These are the black jeans that I got from H&M. All right, y'all. So this is how I set it up.
If I love you and trust you, I don't need
Like
no
this.
money to do something.
And he said he wanted one on the butt pocket, so I have that one right there to put on the butt pocket. Now let's just get this started. Guys, okay. So at first I previously had them like this, but then I'm doing them this way because it just looks better. It's not too much, it's not crowded. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fix it and then iron them on. Y'all, I'm so happy right now. Okay, y'all, my camera decided to die on me while I was doing the whole process. And then I ended up leaving for work, but now I'm back and I'm about to start some homework. But I just wanted to come here and say that I finished the jeans finally, y'all. Okay, let me show you how they look like. All right, so these are how they look like. This is how I got them set up. Along the right side of the leg like he requested, and then he wanted one on the back pocket, so we put one on the back pocket. Feel me? Let me hold it up for y'all. Okay, this is it, y'all. Let me back up. This is it. I think I did my thing. I think I did what I had to do, period. Good morning, you guys, and welcome to another day of vlogging. Unfortunately, today is the last day. I am going to end the vlog off after I wipe this mask off my face. But thank you for watching if you've reached the end. Once again, if you are new to my channel, subscribe. If you are subscribed already, welcome back. Please leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this channel with your friends, family, whoever. Let more people come to my channel so they can interact with me, and that way I have more videos to upload for you guys.